Today is Friday, February 26th. This is our 4th or 5th day on this job after doing the fixing floor, the patching, and removing the VCT. And here we are. Gonna start from this point on. And this is the vinyl click. It's a very beautiful material, as you can see. And it starts from here all the way. Still some leftovers around, not done yet, still need more days here, 2 or 3 days for the baseboard and little stuff here and there. And these don't need to be cut from the bottom, 1/4 inch. And this is the open area. Going down to the right, we have